As IIJW celebrated its day 2, it saw a few more Bollywood celebs being a part of it. We spotted Dia Mirza, Ayushmann Khurrana, Amrita Rao, Shamita Shetty, Sonal Chauhan, and lots of glamour, shimmer and drama on the ramp. शुरुआत करते हैं the gorgeous Dia Mirza से, who looked as beautiful as ever in that black net fish cut lehenga and corset. We loved her makeup and hairdo, and of course the jewels she donned. A perfect look. So let's ask Dia about her experience of walking the ramp.
You know, when you're on the ramp, everything is focusing on that one element, which is beauty. And when the spotlight is on you and all eyes are on you and so many people have come together to make you look beautiful, you do feel very beautiful. You know, it's a different high and it's a different level of energy that you feel. So I really enjoy it. And I think what makes it even more special is when you walk for people who you genuinely care for. You know, that kind of reflects in what you're doing.
But क्या आपको पता है इस perfect look के पीछे छुपी है एक unwell Dia? Well yes, Dia was running temperature at this event. लेकिन सलमान के डायलॉग का सहारा लेकर Dia ने बता दिया कि वो हैं एक thorough professional.
एक बार मैंने जो कमिटमेंट कर दी, I think that's the joy of what we do, right? It doesn't matter whether you're running a temperature, you're not well. What matters is you come out there and give your best and look beautiful.
चलिए ये तो थी beauty with professionalism, Dia Mirza. अब बात करते हैं the current heartthrob, Ayushmann Khurrana की, who also walked the ramp wearing a black sherwani. वैसे अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आयुष्मान had some fetish for jewels to be a part of this jewelry week, then listen up before concluding.
I think guys, they endeavor to know about women, they should also know about jewelry because they don't know anything about jewelry. So I think if you want to know about women, you should know about jewelry as well.
सुना आपने? अब women को और closely जानने के लिए आयुष्मान अपनी jewelry की knowledge बढ़ा रहे हैं. Moving ahead, we spotted Amrita Rao as well, जो usually in fashion weeks का हिस्सा होती ही हैं. इस बार अमृता ने choose किया red, pink and orange combination का traditional लहंगा, while she looked just about ho-hum. Zoom ने catch किया अमृता को exclusively और उनसे पूछा कि क्या होगी उनकी engagement ring की choice.
I'm not more of a. I think it's a combination of diamond and gold. Yeah.
So while Amrita decided on her rings look, we spotted Sonal Chauhan dressed in jewels top to bottom. We mean इतनी jewelry spot करना in one go is so not cool, Sonal. A thumbs down for your look. So Sonal, looks like you just wearing a lot of them. Sonal के अलावा हमने यहाँ स्पॉट किया शमिता शेट्टी को भी, who donned a red knee-length dress और कुछ इसी तरह shine, shimmer and juicy gossips के साथ कंप्लीट हुआ IIJW का Day 2. For Rudrani Chaturaj and Aarti Dani, Zoom, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Sonu Sood and subscribe to Zoom TV's channel on YouTube.